Can you see my screen, right? So your current balance is guys. Now we are done with second option two. Then is option three equals to three. What the option three we have deposit. It means we are like depositing money. But back entering the money into the account, right? That is called deposit. So I'm gonna explain that. Listen. So how much money do you want to deposit? Deposit. Enter the amount. Want to deposit. How much amount do you want to deposit? Then equals to amount minus. Sorry. We have to add here. It means we are depositing. No, it means we are adding deposit. Right? Then print. Deposit. Zero. Want this credited. Trading your account. Right? Then we need to update current balance. Print. Update to the balance. Balance is amount. At last, option 4. We need to exit, right? If option equals to 4, then exit. Okay. And right now. Okay. So these are the basic steps we have followed over here. So here, guys are listening, right? Yes or no? Come on. Text in the chat. Come on first. So yeah, good. Thank you. Here we have each amount minus. Right. No, this is perfect. I'm gonna save and run it. So guys, look at over here with concentrate. I'm gonna run this. So it's got run. Yeah, we are entering our ATM. After 5 seconds, it generate option. Yeah. See, you can watch here, enter your pin, right? See, I'm entering what is my pin? 4567. See, so I missed it. Guys, 1 minute. I missed the option. All amount. Yeah. I'm gonna run now again. Yeah, we entered our ATM card and we are waiting for the 5 second. See, after 5 seconds, we have to enter our PIN 4567. Then enter. So we can see the four options over here: amount, withdrawal, deposit. If you want to look your amount, how much amount do you have in your account? So for that, we have to enter option one. Entering option one. See, your current balance is 5,000. See, guys, is it visible, right? So the current balance is 5,000. Now, if I want to withdraw amount from the 5,000, now I can enter option 2. Enter. Enter how much amount do you want? I want, let's say, 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees amount debited from your account. Your current balance is 4,000. So previously we had 5,000, right? From that I withdrawn 1,000 rupees. Now the current balance is 4,000. So we are done with the second option. Now we are coming into the third option, that is called deposit. It means you are adding money to the bank. Let's say enter option three, right? See, look over here in the down. Enter the amount want to deposit. Sorry, amount. I just typed wrong. Enter the amount want to deposit. I want to deposit again 6,000. 6,000. Then enter. See, 6,000 amount is, look over here. I entered 6,000. Then after it showing 6,000 amount is credited to your account. Your account. After that, I'm updating my balance. How much your updated balance is 10,000. Previously, I had 4,000. Then I added 6,000. The 4 plus 6, it is 10,000, right? After that, we are done with the three options: amount, withdraw, deposit. Then we last option exit. We want to exit from ATM, right? After taking your money. So for that, I'm just clicking option 4. See, I just exited. So this is a small project which will like emphasize you to learn Python, how it works, the real life projects, right? So guys, do you have any doubt over here in this project? Let me know. Don't worry, I'll share the code and you can run it in your interface. How many how many of you have doubt to clarify? Is there any problem in this project? Did you guys understand or not? Come on, let me know in the chat. Understood? Right. So it's a very simple and basic project, guys. I just introduced this project because you are new to this course, Python 4. It's a basic concepts. So we are trying to develop a project with the basic concept. Like I told you previously, operators, the conditional statements, conditional loops, and then these are small modules, libraries that we are taking from them. You guys know what is meant by module and library. As far as our friend has explained, see modules and the PIP, we call it. These are pre-built. Actually, the Python who develops, they already written the code in the backend and they keep whole code name as time. Suppose we had 10,000 of line code and just they develop it and give a name as a time. So just we are taking that 1,000 lines as time. That's it. This is the magic of Python. It's very simple to understand and include in your project to do it. So you guys understand import time then from ASC. And I hope everybody is using VS Code. So it will give some indication that what is the mean by option. See, variable, def option, parameters. Attaches an option to the command. It means we are taking command like command says amount withdraw deposit. This is the option work regarding that. And any other pin? It's a very simple. Yeah, I'll send you. Don't worry about it. But I want everyone to focus this kind of project. It gives some like energy in your like inferiority to learn something in this real project. We have like many more projects to discuss over here. And I'm really sorry for today's voice. I'm in an uneligible network area. Okay. Still any doubts, guys? So I'm just topic sharing my screen. Guys, come on, let me know in the chat. Or I hope you guys are having good time with past 12 days. How it's going on? What are we trying to implement you to become a good developer in the Python? Just let me know what are your thoughts, what we gonna discuss you in the future so that you can be a good developer. Guys, feel free to feel free to text. I hope you understood the project. We have many projects to discuss in upcoming days. I need everyone to be participated. And I'm sorry for today's glitch that my voice is not clear over here. Right? Still any doubts? Can I end the meeting? Can I end the session? Yeah, okay, okay. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow.